Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by selecting the photo you'll place text behind. Open it in an app that supports layers. If you don't have Photoshop, use Canva Pro or Pixelmator. Once the image is loaded, create a duplicate layer and lock the original. Make sure to export a backup PNG or JPEG before editing. You do this so you can always revert. This preserves quality and avoids accidental flattening. Now, prepare a transparent layer beneath the image where the text will eventually sit. Now you reduce the photo's visual dominance so the text shows through. Add a layer mask and paint black where you want full transparency, or simply lower the image opacity to between 30 and 60%. Choose based on contrast with your text. Once done, refine edges with a soft brush so the subject retains depth. Make sure to use selective masking for faces or important details so they remain visible. This creates a balanced result where background imagery and text both read well. Finally, add your text layer beneath the photo layer so words sit behind the image. Choose font size and color for contrast. Use white or light tones on dark areas, dark tones on light ones. Once placed, nudge position and apply subtle drop shadow to the image mask if needed to improve legibility. Export a flattened version for sharing, then preview on mobile and desktop. If text is still hard to read, increase opacity difference or adjust font weight. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.